Hello. Today I'm going to talk to you and show you things about the Higgs boson. So, first off, after Peter Higgs made his prediction, scientists all over the world were searching for the Higgs boson. The first scientist or organization that found it was a university in England called CERN. They have a large hadron collider that would throw particles around in a huge circle and smash them together in a huge 3-story high detector where they would analyze the results. What they were obviously looking for was the Higgs boson. When these collisions did occur, there was a small explosion and many different particles would come out of it, such as maybe light, protons, just random electrons. And what they were looking for was the mysterious particle, the Higgs boson. So, if the Higgs boson did occur, or show, it would rapidly decay into different particles that would decay into more particles, which would be untraceable and no one would know if the Higgs boson was there. Luckily, on one of these collisions, the Higgs boson did show up and the analyzers were able to see it. Then, with the detector, they were able to play it back and look and study the Higgs boson itself. When they did find the Higgs boson, they started unlocking new doors of understanding and knowledge of the universe. So, in the beginning of the universe, all there was millions, billions, trillions of small particles that were massless and moving around at light speed. When these particles crashed together, they formed other particles, as I said before, and some of them also found Higgs boson. But since there was no mass and nothing in space, the Higgs bosons couldn't decay. So they started building up and building up and building up until they formed a massive field. Then when particles tried to pass through them, they gained mass and slowed down and gained weight, and they emerged as new, more mass particles. The only particles that this did not affect were protons, which can move through and not be stopped by the Higgs field. When the Higgs boson created the universe, it lost most of its power. So right now, the Higgs boson is at an extremely low source of power and is slowly regaining that power in an attempt to reach the peak of its power, as shown by a mountain. When it does reach this peak, it will emit a bubble of vacuum energy that will travel at light speed and destroy everything in the universe. Of course, this is just a theory, and if it did happen, it would happen in millions and trillions of years. Or the Higgs boson could go through something called quantum tunneling and tunnel straight through the mountain and get to the top in less than a minute. Then the same thing would happen and the universe would still be destroyed. Thank you for watching, and that is all I have to say today.